Hi, I'm Dr. Abhishek Pilani, MD dermatologist and a co-founder at Assure Clinic. Now, treatment-wise, if you have to consider, there are multiple different line of treatments with multiple different outcomes. We categorize the treatment majorly into three categories. One is medicine, one is different therapies, and one is transplant. All of these have a different outcome. For say medicine, there are very specific medicines for hair fall and hair thinning. How does it work is basically it blocks the DHT receptor, dihydrotestosterone receptor, and helps in delaying the process of deterioration. But there is a lifelong obligation with a list of effects and side effects on that. We always need to consult a doctor or dermatologist before getting these medicines rather than taking it over the counter. Therapy wise, which I'll be describing later in detail, but there are multiple different options like platelet-rich plasma, mesotherapy, derma roller, laser helmets, growth factor, stem cell therapy. Multiple thousands of different treatments are available across. These are basically to control your thinning phase, maybe to improve the quality of your existing hair, improving the growth cycle of your hair. Hair transplant is one of the reasons. It gives you a permanent solution if there is proper baldness, if there is a hair miniaturization which cannot be reversed. Normally, what at Assure we practice is we distribute these sessions into multiple sessions, distributed according to the patient's requirement, how the donor area is there, creating a natural hairline, giving the density which is required, not dependent on the existing hair. All these factors play a major role in creating a natural hairline and a head full of hair.